In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cover to Gumroad. A great cover is the first thing your customers see, so let's make sure yours looks polished and professional. Start by logging in to your Gumroad account. Once you're in, head to your Products section and open the product you want to update by clicking Edit. This takes you into the Product Editor, where all the visuals and details live. Scroll down until you find the Cover section. This is where you'll add the image or video that represents your product. You have two options here. If you already have files ready on your computer, click Upload Images or Videos and select what you want to use. High quality, clear visuals work best, and it helps to choose something that reflects the content of your product at a glance. If you'd prefer to showcase your product with motion, you can paste a YouTube or Vimeo link to use an embedded video as your cover. This can be especially effective for demos, trailers, or walkthroughs. Gumroad lets you upload up to 8 cover files for a single product. Think of these as a small gallery your customers can swipe through. After the files are uploaded, you can drag and drop them to reorder. Place your strongest image or video first, because that's typically what people will see first on your product page. Take a moment to preview the sequence and make sure it tells the right story about your product. If you change your mind about any cover, removing it is simple. Just hover over the thumbnail and click the X. That instantly takes it out of the lineup, and you can always upload a replacement if needed. When everything looks the way you want, don't forget the most important part: saving your work. Click Save or Publish, depending on whether your product is already live. This applies your new covers so they're visible to customers. It's a good idea to view your product page after saving to confirm that the first image or video displays correctly and that the order feels intentional. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your visuals consistent with your brand. Use readable text if you include any on the cover, and aim for images or videos that communicate value in a second or two. Clarity and relevance are more important than complexity. That's it. You've added a cover to your Gumroad product, arranged it just the way you want, and made sure your changes are live.